and a handy little brush. It's a nice short length. It's the only time in life that you need a short length. Back to the Paul on Details channel. In this very quick review, I was intrigued by a comment left on my Cougar wash video. Now, the bear floating around spraying snow foam all over it. Yes, it wasn't me, because I'm just under 6'5". There's no way I would have got in that costume. Sorry to disappoint. That was Sheila, my friend. Anyway, the reason for this video is a comment which was left on my YouTube channel. Another great video, Paul. I really enjoyed this one. Love the commentary. Thank you. Also, highly recommend a Tough Shine tyre brush for only £5 from Clean Your Car. Well, I'll tell you what, straight into Google, I went and ordered one. Well, you can't need any more brushes, Paul. Well, you're wrong, because what I usually use is that for 4x4s and for wheel arches, which is okay. It's not bad. It's cheap. I think it's made by Atlaster, by the way. And it came from the Range. If you've got a Range near you, if you're living in the UK, you know the store I'm on about. And it wasn't expensive, it was a few quid. Worth a punt. Also, these are the ones I usually use. Now, for tyre scrubbing, low profiles, this one, the Atlaster brush, which is great if they're very low profiles, a bit like on the Skoda. The Metro behind me, however, needs a bigger brush. And I haven't got a bigger brush. This one, yeah, it's all right, but it doesn't really cut the mustard. And yes, I've been using it for a while, but I use copious amounts of APC to relieve those tyres of all the grime. What I need is a stiffer brush, nice and easy to use, like this. Let's get on with the review and see what this one's all about. So first things first, the tyres were rinsed down with a power washer, my Neil Fisk C120. I did put a link in the last video if anyone's interested in buying one. Now, either I didn't put the handbrake on properly, or my missus' car was smaller than I thought, or I'm just really strong. You can see the car rocking about. What you will notice with this brush is you've got to turn it the other way to get right into that groove by the actual wheel cover. You can see that little strip there of mist, but as this is just a demo, you'll appreciate what I'm trying to achieve here. That's the brown filth after just the first layer of APC. Now, watch the difference between the Atlaster. Obviously, it's nowhere near as big, so you've got to give it a bit more coverage, thus taking you longer. These tools are all designed to help speed up the process. And you wouldn't want to use this. This is very soft, this brush, by the way. It's good for wheel arches, but not for these tyres. Thumbs down for me for that one. And that's what you're left with before you rinse off. And that is it. A very quick review. And a handy little brush to have. Well, that was a very quick review, Paul. But a very handy tool. Thanks to Dermot Carroll for putting that comment under the video. I did look into getting a tyre scrubbing brush ages ago. And I went on the usual sites and couldn't find one. Well, why didn't I find one? Probably because I wasn't bloody looking hard enough, you idiot, Paul. So thanks for that link. It's always nice when people chuck comments in under the videos and interact with the channel and give me some heads up, because I'm not an expert, I'm a weekend warrior at the end of the day. I'm just trying to pass the information on to you. So I'll put the link in for this brush under the video. It's about £7 with delivery, £4.95 plus postage and packing. So a handy little brush, not too long, so you don't foul the wheel arches. It will still cope with most size tyres, unless of course you're going to be doing like 4x4s and you might want something a bit more sort of BF Goodrich grabber style like this. With a, you know, you can pop down your range and go and get one of these. I think they still sell them in the range anyway. I should keep the other brushes obviously for very small tyres. So thanks to Dermot for this one. If you like the video, obviously give it a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe as always. We'll be back on the liquid products with a one make review coming from LA Car Care. Sorry there's no wet stuff involved today. I'm off out to lunch. Mum's birthday. Happy birthday, Mum. Catch you soon, guys. Laters.